Welcome to Farm Solutions, Searching for Animals, part of the How Do I series. Here we are at the farm control page, the now familiar farm control page. In Farm Solutions, you can search for absolutely anything. And we'll only show you a fraction of it here, but here's view or search. So there's clue, and you can search in any of the books. So that's your current stock there, or you could go to your livestock movement books, which is your official books. But anyway, if we go to here, and all of these buttons are ways of getting a search group. So there's a whole farm, all cattle, and there's 294 cattle on the farm. It'd be quite difficult to find individual groups and things if we didn't have the buttons pre-set up. But if we go to farm control, and from there it may be, let's just have a specific search. So we'll go to viewer search, and this time we'll go to custom search. And we're going to multiple jumbo. We're just looking for one animal, but instead of putting the whole jumbo number in, we can just put in a few numbers. If it was a slightly bigger, if we couldn't remember all of it. And there we go, that's the animal I was looking for. And from here you could then do whatever you wanted to do with it. But at this minute we'll just go back to farm control. Go back to report menu. And we'll go back into multiple criteria this time, and in custom search, and we'll look for some purchases. So anything that was greater or equal than the 1st of January 2017. So anything that was bought on or after January 2017. And then because it's a demo, there's only a handful of animals. You can take these animals to other screens, of course, and to look at different information. So we can view it in purchases, and if you'd put in the price or other things, you could have had that, or you could take it to sales screen. Anyway, the point being is that you grab your search, there isn't the sales screen, you can grab whatever you want and do whatever you must do with that information, whether it's mass move or whatever. But we'll go back to custom search, and again this time we'll go and look now for historical animals, right? So if we go to custom multiple criteria, and this time look for things that were bought, things that were born rather, and we can look for within a date range, in other words a constrained set, so after one date and before another, so from May to the end of December 2017, last year. We can also limit it here to just females. We could also have put types of breeds or whatever, but in this case we'll just do that, and there you go, and you've got your animals that were born there. So as I say, with those search buttons you can grab absolutely anything you want. Now let's also select and add more to this group. So for instance, if we went from there and just let's say we wanted to add bulling heifers, we go obese type, we could add our bulling heifers and search where they are, and there we go. But it may be we only want a few of these, so we'll put some crosses in, press find, and it brings the two groups together, the first set of calves and the bulling heifers. Now for whatever reason you wanted them for, in this case perhaps to move, so on farm relocation, so we're moving them all from Brackley to somewhere else. I'm not actually going to do it, but that's the type of thing that you'd be doing with a group. Let's go now and we'll go back to custom search, and we'll go to multiple criteria and just show you perhaps just searching for something slightly different. The idea here is that you can search for anything. For instance, I could just done Thainston, anything that was ever bought or ever sold at Thainston, but we'll put in females. Females, let's just say which were bought on or after January 2017, and there we go, we've got the animals. Now maybe I was looking for that because we were going to do something with it, such as go to the progress of it. If we had put weights in, obviously your weighing machines can automatically put the information in, and that's for another video, or take it up to recording the cost of keeping the animals, and that also is there. But the idea is very simple. You can search for anything.